Hi guys, welcome back to Mr. Money. So the property market is starting to pick up these days. Government has also pushed out a series of measures to help to promote the unsold properties in the market and also to encourage people to buy their first home. Because of this, lately as a financial planner, I'm getting a lot of questions like this. What is MLTA? MRTA? What is it for? Why do I need to buy it? And is it compulsory? Today, in this video, we'll find out the answer to these questions.
Crazy mother!
MRTA and MLTA are basically your housing loans insurance. MRTA is mortgage reducing term assurance. This means that the sum assured will reduce according to time. Sum assured is the amount that the insurance company will pay out in the event of something happen. MLTA is mortgage level term assurance. This means that the sum assured of the housing loans insurance will not reduce according to time, but it will stay level throughout the coverage term. Bank is a business, and when they lend you their money to buy a house, they expect to get their money back in return with interest. If you can't pay them back their money, they are gonna lose money. So, if something happens to you and you're no more around on this earth, who will pay them back the housing loan? This is where, when you have MRTA or MLTA, it will help to clear off your housing loan and pay back the bank what you owe them. So, why do you need to buy MRTA or MLTA? If you have a family and you're living with them, maybe your husband or your wife or your kids or your parents, if one day you are no more around because something happened, who will pay for the monthly installment? Who will clear off the housing loan? If you are no more around because something happened to you, your family would lose one source of income. With the loss of that income, and they still have to pay for the monthly installment, will it become a financial burden for your family, for your spouse, or for your children? That is why Confucius say, live love, not that. Okay, I was kidding. Confucius didn't say that. But that's true. If you love your family, you're gonna make sure if something happens to you, they are taken care of. I always tell people this, it is already difficult enough for your loved ones if something happens to you. And to go through that with financial difficulty or with debt, it's worse. So this is the least that you can do for your loved ones. No, it's not compulsory. You can choose whether do you want to buy a MRTA or MLTA or not buying any at all. It is your choice. It is not compulsory for you to buy any MRTA or MLTA from the banks. There is no law that says that you have to buy a MRTA or MLTA, and they cannot force you to buy one. Although sometimes they may offer you a better housing loan rate when you buy a MRTA with them. But remember this, you can always negotiate with the banker. So when you are applying for a housing loan, do not only apply from one bank. Always apply from a few banks. So you will know the rates of each bank and the terms that each bank offer you, and you have something that you can use to negotiate with them. So I hope this video helped you to understand a little bit more about what MLTA or MRTA is. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment below and I will try my very best to answer your questions. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and share it out with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.